What up, guys? It's your boy 6Dan coming at you from 6 Reviews, and I'm on my I don't have a chair that fits this this background well, so I'm on a bouncy ball. So if you see me bouncing a lot, it's because I'm on a purple bouncy ball. But I'll be standing up for some of it, but I just wanted you guys to see that my face does exist. I'm not trying to hide it because I gained a lot of weight, and I gotta take out my AirPod. Ooh, awkward. But I have another review for you guys, and this is a special review to me because for me personally, I do love New Balance. And luckily for me, there is a sample sale close by to my place that I'm able to cop some New Balances because I'm sample size 9, which is a great size. So if anyone out there is a sample, like if you're a size 9, you gotta check out all the sample sales because you will be able to get really good things. Unfortunately for my upper body, like my top, they usually do mediums and I fit in a large because I'm a little chubby. It's okay though. Anyways, so today I wanted to show you guys my 2 cops from a sample sale. Without further ado, in 3, 2, 1. Boom, shaka, laka. This is a New Balance. Now, I don't even know exactly what model this is called. I want to call it the New Balance, like the bowling alley. Now, the sun is like really just shining bright right now. So if you see the change of colors, it's all natural lighting. This is a beautiful looking shoe, and I thought I really love the colorway of the blue here with the orange, with the hint of that yellow orange right there. I don't know. I want to call it. It looks like a bowling shoe, but a little bit more fashionable. Do I know exactly what New Balance model this is? To be honest with you guys, I don't. But this is what I'm saying, where you don't always have to wear anything that's hyped up. You can just wear what you like. Wear what you think will look good with an outfit, and this is something that I think you could pull off in the fall. Kind of have a hipster look with higher up socks, or you can go with shorts with no show socks. I don't know, whatever you want to do. I don't know why socks matters that much, but really this is just a simple shoe, nothing too crazy. I was able to cop this pair for basically $30, and so that's a great deal for this sneaker. I think it was $30. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure it was only around $30. I love it. Simple. Colors are beautiful. Look out for Kyopo to maybe do something in this kind of colorway because I do like how this blue and this orange go together. And then with a little hint that instead of New Balance, we put Kyopo there. That'd be crazy. Nothing much you really need to say about the sneaker. It's a sneaker that's going to stand out. However, it's not a hype sneaker. It's just a sneaker that you can make look good. So, for instance, this is a create your own hype type of sneaker. And that's a hashtag I'm going to be creating now, even though it probably exists right now. Create your own hype. This is my hype. This is the second shoe that I was able to cop. This is the New Balance 990s. This is not version 4. You might have guessed it. These are the version 3s that I believe they're sold out everywhere, and it is super duper clean. Now, the chunky dad shoe was really made into effect, and it became popular, and I think Balenciaga had a big deal to do with that. This is the original. Everyone always goes to the Nike Air, the Air Monarch. I honestly believe New Balance was doing that kind of trend for a while, and it wasn't a trend for them. That was just what they're doing, and look how beautiful this sneaker is. Now, the gray right here is beautiful. The quality of the suede, beautiful. The mesh right here, beautiful. This end, beautiful. Now, if you guys are noticing, I'm only using one word to describe the shoe, and it is beautiful. The version 4 one right now, in my personal opinion, doesn't create this kind of look and this kind of aesthetic that it had going for it. It went off board. Version 2s are really great, but this version 3, it is beautiful. And this one was at the sample sale and just asking the right questions and asking the right people, and you're able to find some cool things. This one I was able to find. It's in my size. It is perfect. And if you've never worn a 990, or if you've never even worn any New Balances, I would suggest anything numbered with the 3 numbers, 990, 997s, even the 1500 series. You're looking at a super duper comfortable sneaker that will be on your feet, and it really is probably the most comfortable sneaker. I've been rocking with New Balance for a while. I grew up watching and seeing a bunch of Korean kids wearing New Balances, and I was like, F that, I'm only Nike. But I'm telling you, if there was one sneaker I'd have on my feet all day, every day with regards to comfort, style, and look right now, I would choose New Balance, and that would be my go-to sneaker. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. If you guys can, press that like button, press that subscribe button. Follow me on my Instagram at 6reviews. Also follow me on Kyopo, Kyopo. That's my clothing line. This is where this hoodie is from. I also have two new hats that I recently did a collab with New Era. You guys see the quality here. That one's a snapback, this one's a fitted. Super dope hat. And if you guys can see the quality of it, so you can tell it's actually made from New Era when the inside of it, right here, it's not, you don't see the stitching on the inside, whereas if you do it at New Era, at like a lid store, you'll see the stitching on it. Available in very limited quantity, so if you're like checking out this video right now, you should check the website to see if we still have any more hats. Might do a restock, or I might do another run in a different color. We'll see. This is your boy 6 Dan coming at you from 6 Reviews. Shoot us!